Hey everyone, and welcome to the StatusCast video blog. My name's Eric, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up incident reporting. This should take just about 3 to 5 minutes. Once you register for an application status page within StatusCast, you can access the admin panel through that standard login screen. The first thing we're going to do is define the components we're going to track on our application status page. Maybe these are distinct servers supporting different geographic regions. Maybe there are different SaaS partners within your software organization, or maybe it's just different functions within your IT department. For instance, live chat server, email server, and telephone system. When we add a new component, we need to give it a name, and we can give it a description as well. We'll see in just a minute how the description appears to the end user. I'll create a component for our US servers. And I'll create a component for our Canadian servers. But maybe I need to get more specific than that. So I'm going to click Add Subcomponent. This way, I'll distinguish between our Western US servers and our Eastern US servers. And I'll include some information in these descriptions that helps users understand what the difference between these subcomponents are. This status page is pretty basic, but it's easy enough to change. We'll do that in another video blog. For now, I want to show you the components listed here that I just created. And you can see the descriptions appear when I hover the mouse over them. While this is useful for customers, there's actually an even better reason to create these distinct components and track them separately in StatusCast. Whenever your application experiences an issue that your users need to be notified about, you can go to the Incidents section of the StatusCast admin panel and update them. This is true for retroactive notifications, which you can apply timestamps to. You can also use it to announce anticipated downtime, for instance, system maintenances or scheduled deployments, and include reminders hours and even days before the incident takes place, so users aren't taken by surprise when they have issues accessing your application. Here's where those components and subcomponents really come into play. Let's say that there's a server maintenance happening for our Eastern US servers. I'm just going to type some general stuff in here. You'll probably want to get your marketing team to help with this, as it'll be customer facing. You can see there's a checkbox option for whether this incident reflects an incident of downtime or not. The terms of your SLA determine whether or not something like server maintenance applies for this. For now, I'll leave this unchecked. And then I'll publish the incident and go to the status page. And you can see our scheduled maintenance for the East US server cluster shows up as an issue notification, and our West US server cluster is unaffected. And if you hover your mouse over an icon, you can see the details of the incident. If we look at the subscriber section of the admin panel, we can even set up notifications by component or subcomponent. We can manually type or paste a list of emails. We can also import a file with a list of emails in it. Whatever email addresses I sent this subscription invitation to would only receive notifications about the East US server cluster component. In less than 5 minutes, we've set up components, incidents, and subscriptions so that our end users know what notifications are and how they pertain to them. Feel free to check out our other StatusCast video blogs so that you know you're getting the most out of your status page.